In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with PagePilot on Shopify. Whether you're completely new to Shopify, looking to improve your store's design, or you simply want a faster way to create beautiful pages with the help of AI, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. PagePilot is designed to save you time while helping your store look more professional. So if you want great-looking pages without complex design work, you're definitely in the right place. Let's jump in and get everything set up properly. First, open your Shopify dashboard and head over to the Apps section from the left-hand panel. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top and type in PagePilot. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because selecting the correct app is important for a smooth setup. PagePilot is an AI-powered page builder that helps you create and customize store pages quickly, making it a great addition to any Shopify store. Next, click on PagePilot from the search results to open its app page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Install. Go ahead and click on it, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the installation. You may be asked to review app permissions or confirm access details. This is completely normal and helps ensure the app works properly with your store. The installation process is very straightforward, and once it's finished, PagePilot will automatically open inside your Shopify dashboard, ready for setup. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Before you start designing, make sure you have your store's branding details ready, such as your logo, brand colors, fonts, and any product images you plan to use. Doing this beforehand can save you a lot of time and help you maintain a consistent and professional look across your pages. It also makes the design process much more enjoyable. Once you've completed the initial on-screen setup steps, you're ready to start using PagePilot to build pages. After that, you can choose from different layouts, generate content with AI, edit text, swap images, and customize sections to fit your brand. The AI-powered interface makes everything feel simple and intuitive, even if you don't have any design experience. You can create landing pages, product-focused pages, or promotional pages without any interruptions or technical headaches. It's also a very good idea to preview each page before publishing it live on your store. This allows you to check spacing, images, text alignment, and overall flow on both desktop and mobile views. Taking this extra step ensures your pages look polished, professional, and fully aligned with your brand before customers see them. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use PagePilot on Shopify to create stunning AI-powered pages easily and efficiently. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If this video helped you improve your store or save time on page design, feel free to share it with others who might be starting their Shopify journey too. Why not make someone's day a little easier? Keep building, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.